What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your remote in your 2019 Acura ILX. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key that you have at the bottom of the remote. We're going to do is slide this button to the left and the key will come right out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to split this case open, and I want to hold the remote with the buttons facing down, because once we split this, the buttons will get all loose and they'll fall out and go everywhere. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to hold it down like this, and I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to pry the case apart. Okay. And once you get it apart, you just take this cover off. Now you're going to want to hold it like this, because this piece in here, the actual like microchip and everything like that, it can fall out and all the buttons will fall out. The size of battery, we're looking at a CR 2032, and just note that the positive is facing out towards you. I'm just going to stick the screwdriver in it right here and remove it and get the new battery. I'm going to leave a link down below for some new batteries to take you to Amazon if you want to pick up some new batteries. But we just pop it right in like I did right there, and just get the cover and stick it on here and just squish it together, put the emergency key back in, and we are all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.